If you guys haven't learned this video in the next 10 seconds, this hack will not work, guys. Don't risk it, just like the video. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack Subway Surfer. It is so easy for Android, guys. So basically we're going to be using these two apps that I have on screen, APK Installer and this one here. So we're going to download APK Installer first. So if you head over to your Play Store, guys, and we just go over here and APK Installer, and it is this one right here, guys. So go ahead and download that. Now after that we're going to be downloading this app. Now this app is actually not on your Play Store, so download it at your own risk. So if you were an original, well, if you used to use iOS, you actually know what this app is, Tweakbox. And yeah, okay, we're just going to go ahead and download it. I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys, it's like much easier for you guys. So just go method 1 and then just go download. I'm not going to hit download because I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. So after that is downloaded, guys, it won't come up on your screen like as an app. You need to go into this app here and go ahead, click on it and press go ahead and press install like that, guys. It's gonna really quickly delete that. And now we're gonna go ahead, head into the app, and well, I'm just gonna press play, but you just want to search for Subway Surfer and hit download. So I'll be back when this is downloaded, guys. Okay, guys, so then you want to go ahead, press install. You want to press open, and here you go. There you go. That is how you hack Subway Surfer. I'm just gonna go ahead into the game just to prove that it actually works. Yeah, okay, just that, accept. Okay, I'll just quickly play this for you guys. Oh my god, just let me die. I have to complete this or else I have to do it again. Okay, hoverboard. There we go. What do I do? Oh my god, guys, that was insane. And as you can see, guys, it has worked. Go ahead into me, and we have every single possible style of skin that has ever come out on Subway Surfer, guys. That is insane. I actually really like this one. Let me go ahead. That is insane, guys. Look at that. and then we'll head over to boards. Every single board, guys. So if you guys did like this video, please consider subscribing, and if you want to help out the channel, maybe share this video. Till next time, guys, catch you later.